cut that piece off. Garbage. So let's go ahead and see if there's something else in there that might be material. It's not cast. I had a feeling when I did say dropped forge on it, that it was not going to be a good piece of material to work with. Well, we're going to try anyway. So let's see. What else can we find in here? I'm still thinking about this. I'm sure this is a piece of tool steel. I don't know for sure, honestly, but I'm pretty sure. Let's give it a try. It's going to be a lot less material than I wanted to work with. Yeah. Sparks on that seem to be a little more promising. Oh, yeah. That's much better. That's a good piece of steel. Very clean, no pores. You see that one little corner that broke off, has that gray texture to it. Good piece of steel right there. Very nice. Hopefully I'm not talking too quiet for this camera to hear me. Much better. Clean it up. Should have safety glasses on right now, too. Don't do some of the stupid stuff you see me do. Always wear proper protective equipment. PPE is very important. Can't save you an eye, lip, lungs. Honestly, I should be wearing a respirator while I do a lot of this stuff, and I don't. Or at least even a dust mask would be nice to wear, which the sad part is, I got a dust mask sitting right there. I got 3M VersaFlow sitting right there, and yet here I am, like an idiot. Got all this protective equipment around. Don't use it. Stupid of me. At least I'm not going to be that guy who does the welding and closes his eyes while he does it. I'll wear my helmet. gas, I can stick weld, I can MIG weld, I can do all different kinds of welding. But at the end of the day, I prefer to TIG weld. I just don't want to waste the gas right now. I have a pretty decent sized job coming up where I'm going to need the probe back. So, I'd rather just stick with that. So I had to clean the lens, it was a little dirty. Alright, let's throw this in there and see what happens. This should forge well. As far as all this goes, that's a kitchen sink. Alright, I made what I needed out of what I had because I didn't have the capability to just go out and buy everything I needed. Piece of 4x4 box tube, 1/8 inch wall. Up there where that tape is, there's a fan, all metal fan, out of that little heater. It burned out on me. So, most everything I make smack this, it should feel good. Yeah, well, that's what I'm sprinkled some borax on it just to try and minimize any cold shuts from happening on the edges from that being a piece of I-beam. basically, is what that is in the center. So if I don't put something on it, those pieces of metal will come together, and there'll be cold shuts on it, and yeah, those will, it's not a good thing to have. Again, I don't know what I'm going to make because I'm just bored and wanting to forge something. So we're going to get to that. The idea will come as I start forging. Looks like we still got some cold shut. Only in a couple spots. That's something we can probably grind through. Nonetheless, we'll put a little more borax on there. Never hurts. I did recently make a blade, which I haven't finished yet, out of a Taiwan 3/8 socket driver, or a ratchet, however you want to consider it. I need to shape it and do all that good stuff to it. Did that the other day. And with the leftover piece of material, I made this little throwing knife. Nothing special. I tried to cut it and stack it, and I have a little spot right here where it's not properly defusion bonded or forge welded. So I didn't worry about cleaning it up or making it pretty. Just something for me to play with.